guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we have here in the package. I do believe this is supposed to be the world famous Silicon Dojo Derby vehicle that I purchased, or at least what I'm planning to use for that, because I do have a lot of other components and stuff, but none of them came with decent enough instructions that I could handle. So this I did a lot of research on, and supposed to be a really good kit that should help me with that, because they're supposed to have good instructions on how to build a Silicon Dojo type vehicle. So I can't wait to dig into this box. Apparently you have to go to this website here, freenovi.com. And anything else that you guys want to see here?
Likey.